watercolour started with the paint bowls. I make paint, and being able to use such a large quantity of watercolour with big brushes and created the ability to make really big, large-scale abstract watercolour works.
So the thing I like about big watercolour is that you have all of the equipment supplied, and it's very experiential, it's visceral, you know, it's not about creating this and that, it's about pouring and dripping and just seeing what happens.